I am AGPG, short for Apple Gameplays Gaming. And let's get into the video. Today I am going to get my bandana and basically put it on myself whilst I'm doing a Subway Surfers 1. So I can't see, nobody helping me, but I can't see the screen. And that's all I'm doing. I can't see the screen and I'm playing. So let's start. I can't see. Maybe I can kind of work my way out. No, that's... No! What in the world just happened? That was like so... I can't believe that. I got 10,000 points, guys. If I make it to 100,000, I win the challenge. Let's go. Oh. I think we need to go down. I have a feeling we need to go down. Oh, I needed to jump instead of going down. Well, I couldn't see because I didn't know what obstacle I had. Just close my eyes. Put the bandana on. No. I got 4,000. Let's face it, boss. I guess we lost the challenge. You don't know what we're gonna do yet. Next. You don't know what we're gonna do next. Oh, I can't wait. I can't feel the pain yet, but we're gonna get into the pain. Oh, let's get into the pain then. Pain. I put my fingers into the dung for that. For this challenge. What bad is this? Is this a challenging day? No. I'm such a boring beast. I just found two words that start with B. The letter B, and then I call myself, I'm such a boring beast. Hopefully this is not too boring content for you guys. Probably just gonna get 2-3 views or something. No! I forgot I can't use hoverboards. No! Guys, I guess I'll see you at 500,000 points. Okay. No! Maybe I'm having a good run so far. If I don't lose. I've already got 300,000 points. And I've already got 2 million points before. But I have to do this boring challenge that I have to get 2 million points without keys. Oh, hoverboards or score boosters. No, I promise, pinky promise, that I didn't use any score boosters or keys or hoverboards. I pinky promise. I am totally not ready for the no coin challenge that I may do tomorrow or the day after. I'm totally not ready for that. I'm so not ready for that. And next time, I have to do 4 million points if I fail the challenge. I wish I made the video longer and did the challenge to get to 100,000 points. In Subway Surfers blindfolded. I should have done that. Oh, I wish I did that challenge instead of facing the consequence. Oh, this feels so bad. I feel so bad right now in my heart. My heart doesn't feel warm because it's cold weather. It's raining right now. It was raining right now. It was literally raining right now. Now guess what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say that I want to do the no coin challenge. No, I was at 100,000 points. I don't know why 100,000 points feels big to me, but I was at almost 200,000 points. I think the main thing that was throwing me off that I'm playing as Lucy. Lucy works the best. Works the baddest, I meant. Oh my god, I'm at 200,000. I definitely can't lose. If I lose, I hope all my viewers like this video. Really love this video, not hate it. Some might hate it because I have to get to 2 million points in this video, but yes, I like doing consequences. Just let you know. That's the truth. I like doing consequences. I'm telling the truth. I like doing consequences. No, whoa, no. Oh no. Stay jazzy. Stay fuzzy. No, don't stay fuzzy. Don't stay fuzzy. I said fuzzy. Fuzzy. Is fuzzy a good word? To use, like, will it make me lose? If, like, is it a word that is like that's saying I will lose or something? I don't even know what fuzzy means. I just made it up. Anyway, just leave in the comments if you think fuzzy is a word or not. I don't think you will give a comment anyway. You don't really need to give a comment. Just watch this video because we need to keep everything jazzy in the Subway Surfers. Buzzy. That's it. Busy, not buzzy. Buzzy, Kazi, Lazzy, Buzzy, Muzzy, Jazzy, Kazi, Hazi, Vahi, Gahi, Blahi, whatever. Please get me to 1 million faster. I need 1 million points in Subway Surfers. No, Baba. No, I mean, guys, order me to a challenge of Subway Surfers, and I might do all of them. Good time to comment on the video, and please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I mean, don't subscribe. Definitely don't press the subscribe button, but like, press the like button one time, please. But if it doesn't allow you to subscribe, press cancel. Definitely press cancel. It will allow you to subscribe, definitely. I'll see you at 1 million points. 1 million points. I'm gonna say AGPG when I get 2 mil. AGPG. Woo! I finished getting 2 mil. Bye guys. Hope you had a great video. Bye. AGPG.